Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video. And we web developers need a browser dedicated for web developing only. Now you may ask, Google Chrome is already there. They have too many tools to use, as well as Brave, and obviously Mozilla is also there. That have also too many tools. But when you are developing a responsive website, clicking on a web page and switching it to the view of mobile view and switching it again back to normal view is quite difficult. Like, not like that is a hectic job. Every time you have to switch just to view how it is looking, that if that is design is responsive or not. So we do have a browser dedicated for that only. So how cool that would be, right? So let's see what I have today, what I have prepared today for you. Let's just dive into the video. So here is our today's app, that is responsibly.app, and I use it personally. Yes, I use it personally, and I am using it for a long time. So that's why I thought, why not let you guys know about it also. So first thing, there are tons, like not tons, but many browsers like this who does this same thing. But what is different about it, different about responsibly, is it is totally free. Second, it is open source, so you can even contribute to their development. So you can see that here. Okay. And so you can see the interface here. Basically, this is the interface you're gonna get when you download it and install it. Like, not this much of devices, but you will get four basic devices, that is iPhone X, ipad no, iPhone X, Pixel 2, ipad, and a generic laptop. Now you can add many more devices, many more screen sizes according to your necessity. So this is totally versatile on that thing. Okay. So it is the first thing, that is screen sizes, and you can add your custom screen sizes. They have pre-built screen sizes also, so you can choose from them, and you obviously you can add your custom also. That is one thing. You can see that here. Let me show you the app so I can show you the features better. Okay. Here you can see responsively app, and I have just opened Google, simply Google in it. Now let me show you, let me give a like little bit overview that I was talking about. So I have two phone devices, two mobile devices, one iPad, one generic laptop, and one HD screen laptop, and a full HD device also here. So I have those screens, and I can arrange those screen however I want. Like, if I want it like this is like in flex grid mode right now. If I want them to horizontally, I can see them horizontally. If I want them individually, I can see them individually as well. And you can see quick filters here, like which are the Apple devices, which are the Android devices, which are the Windows devices, which are the desktop devices. Okay. So you can turn on filtering here. See, device filtering. Here are now just the desktops. Okay. Yep. Now here you can change night mode and dark mode as well. Here you can change between touch mode and click mode. So that is also a great feature to have, because mobile devices have only touch, they don't have click. So whenever you are into mobile devices, you can obviously select the touch mode, and then there is mute all devices, so all of the devices will be mute at once. And here is the best thing, you can tilt all of those devices. That's great, because all of the browser doesn't provide it, right? this tilt functionality. Then you can take snapshot of every devices at once. Just click on take screenshot. Then here you can disable mirroring. Now what is mirroring? When as you can see, when I am just scrolling through one tab, every tab is scrolling, right? So this is called mirroring, and I can stop mirroring anytime I want. Then there is basic zoom in and out and all. Okay. Then there is page navigator. Obviously I can search between every pages and select the css from here, h1, h2, h3, any section that I want. So there are too many features actually. Like if I want to, if I just go explaining every other feature, this video will this video gonna be much longer. So that's why this is about this video. Just download it yourself, use it, and then tell me if you like it or not. And rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great apps like this, or some of the great resources, cool apps, open source, design elements, anything, please let me know about all of them in the comment section, so I can feature them in my future videos. Bye.